Get the vibe with the beat. It's the music that's sweet. Legal concepts we snapping. Getting your mind to tap it with concepts that you grappling. Pay attention. The lyrics, our tracks got heat. The knowledge we spitting, we won't be forgetting. Putting it on blast and the book is hidden. Wisdom makes the difference. Putting it in action is just good sense. You may not like reading it, but the facts you need it. So we put it in music so you just have to heed it. Legal stuff is easy when you know the rules. You're no longer a victim, just to be abused. Use legal research for the history of what happened. Similar situations in which you may be grappling. Study decisions of the federal court. Use folder reading to cut it short. Look at the page like it's a picture. In a minute, ideas will hit you. Sleep with the book in your bed. Afterwards, you know what your spirit read. 1,000,000 words a minute, that's easy. Relax your mind and focus freely. Just a few tools to bypass schools. If student loans for you seem wrong, use these tools when you are in class. The information you will greatly surpass. Yes, in court, there are many rules. Don't be intimidated. Play it cool. Write it, file it, serve it with a notice. When you're in court, you're gonna have to show this. All laws require notice for the other side to review. When in court, you are attempting to do. Fax it, mail it, deliver it by hand. Making sure they get it. That's how the court is ran. If good judgment is what the judge lacks, they're not an impartial trial of the facts. Sometimes the judge acts a fool. Just file a motion to substitute. That's a rule. If the other side has lied, make sure you don't let it slide. Put the truth in the affidavit, then they can't hide. An affidavit is a sworn statement of what you know. Put it in writing. Let it flow. Make sure it's notarized. That makes it official for other eyes. If you get sued, look for grounds to file a motion to dismiss. When it happens, sure, they'll be pissed. Be sure you know what a legal claim is. Then you know just how to play this. Always file a counterclaim. Just defending, that's a little lame. Discovery is how you get information from the other side. Ask the right questions, then they can't hide. Pause and review the hidden clause in the law. Take a deposition. Ask them to their face. Recorded transcripts is something they can't erase. Set up questions on the facts you base. Always follow the money trail in what you trace. Getting admissible evidence is the goal you face. You're gonna love the process once you get a taste. Be efficient, there's no time to waste. Go to the library, just walk around. Absorb the energy from the books that's bound. Here's a secret about books that most don't know. Just open the book to any page. It will be information your mind needs to engage. Legal writing is putting down on paper how the adversary tried to pull a caper. Make the truth escape like a vapor. When you explore the methods they use, just follow a few simple rules. Start with just a statement of the facts. Keep it tight. Don't give them no slack. Each word you use has a meaning. It's on higher understanding that you are leaning. The more you practice, the better you will become. Use the law. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Don't try to force it. Let it flow. Then you can use it wherever you go. Be soft and yielding like water. Just keep flowing when they get hard. If they get mad and try to use force, that's one way to know you're on the right course. The reason they get upset is because you ain't playing alone. Don't fall for the games, just stay strong. Sometimes the judge don't read your stuff at all, but you're still setting the record when you attend each call. Setting the record means that your facts are recorded. Use court reporters, affidavits, and judicial notice. When you're in court, it's all about how you word it. Because in the appellate court, no new facts are allowed. The appellate court only reviews the child judge's mistakes. Make sure they have the right information to intake. The appellate court can affirm or deny. Read it carefully, then you'll know why. No, they are not always fair, but now on the issue, the public can glare. All appellate opinions are recorded, even though later they may be aborted. Yes, you can change public opinion. Don't concede that they have dominion. Then try to make it complicated so that you won't even try. Telling you that you got to use a lawyer, but don't give you a reason why. Even if you hire an attorney, make sure you understand all the rules so in the back seats you don't land. Just follow this musical, legal plan. A good lawyer will listen to you and care. Information that they will be happy to share. If you don't get a good vibe, just keep stepping and studying. Don't sign agreements that you don't understand. Putting your name on paper can wreck your future plans. If you do sign and you're not sure about what you've read, use these words as you leave. All right reserved. Put it under your signature when you sign your name. Remember to use it. Make it plain. These words will protect you when someone's trying to get you with an unfair contract. Use this phrase and your consent they'll lack. This is important that we always have to say, so important, this is so important that we have to say it again. Reserve your rights every time if you sign what you don't understand. This will provide you protection all over the land. Sign your court documents the very same way. Keep yourself protected every single day. You can get help. Be clear what you want to say. Use the power of intention to find your way. A lot of things you need to know are in books, but you can listen. You can change the world by listening to this hook. Raise your frequency. I have a new appreciation for performers.